The situation in Nagaland remained under control on Friday, even as prohibitory orders in certain areas remained in force. Meanwhile, the centre has asked the Assam Rifles to ensure safety of the Nagaland Chief Minister while appealing to agitating people to shun violence over the contentious urban local bodies elections.
A tenuous calm returned to Nagaland's capital Kohima the day after a mob vandalized and set ablaze several government offices, setting off alarm bells in New Delhi. Prohibitory orders remain in place at several places in Nagaland's capital even on Friday. Tuesday had seen the agitation against 33% reservation for women in the urban local body or ULB elections take a violent turn, with 2 protesters losing their lives in Dimapur. An inquiry has been ordered into the deaths after the transfer to city's commissioner and deputy commissioners of police. The situation remains sensitive to the extent that the state's police chief sent a report to the centre expressing fear for Chief Minister T.R. Zeliang's life. The centre responded by directing Assam Rifles to ensure the CM's security.
जो घटना है वो दुखद घटना है, जो भी हो, लेकिन चीफ मिनिस्टर का घर और पूरा वहाँ के गवर्नमेंट के जो इस्टेब्लिशमेंट को अटैक करना ये ठीक नहीं है और चीफ मिनिस्टर का सेफ्टी जो है सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न इस वक्त, इसलिए हमारे फोर्सेस को भी कहा गया है कि किसी तरह से हालात को काबू में लाया जाए, कैबिनेट को भी बिल्कुल प्रोटेक्शन दिया जाए.
The centre has also appealed to Nagaland's people not to fall prey to the plots of anti-social elements, saying problems need to be resolved through dialogue. The centre has also promised all possible help for the state in tackling the situation.
हमें विश्वास है कि जल्द ही वहाँ पर शांति बहाल हो जाएगी, क्योंकि जिस तीव्र गति से विकास कार्यों को आगे बढ़ाने का प्रयास किया गया है वर्तमान सरकार के द्वारा और प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में, उन विकास कार्यों में निश्चय ही इस प्रकार कि यदि हिंसा होती है या शांति भंग होती है तो उसमें खलल पड़ता है और साथ ही साथ गृह मंत्रालय भी इसका संज्ञान लिए हुए. हमें विश्वास है कि जल्दी वहाँ पर अमन और शांति बहाल हो जाएंगे.
Local body elections have not been held in Nagaland for the last 16 years. The Zeliang government decided to hold the polls, giving 33% reservation to women after an interim order from the Supreme Court. But several tribal bodies in the state have been opposing it tooth and nail, saying it's a violation of the special status granted to Nagaland. The government has declared the election process null and void after the violence, but the agitators are sticking to their demand for the CM's resignation. DD News.